No. Thank you for coming. And my name is Kleis, and today I will be your counselor. Before we begin, I would like to let you know that this is a safe and supportive place for you to talk openly about your consent.
Okay.
Everything we discuss here will remain private and confidential unless there is a risk of harm to yourself or others. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Thank you. To add on, counseling is voluntary and you may choose what you feel comfortable sharing. Is it okay if we start our session?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you, Nauru. What brought you here today?
My wife Teresa is threatening to leave me because I spent too much time drinking young one with my friends.
It seems like your Yamkona drinking is creating a problem to your marriage and family life.
Yes. She says I don't spend enough time with the children and I don't help around the house.
Hearing that from Teresa seems to be affecting you.
Yes. She gave me 2 weeks to change, or she wants at worst.
That sounds like a very stressful situation for you.
It is. I don't want to lose my family.
So, what do you think has led to your Yamkona drinking becoming such a big part of your daily life?
I guess it started as the way to relax with my friend after work, but I stay out late almost every night.
So, what began as a way to relax has now become something that is affecting your responsibilities at home and at work.
Yes, I am. I'm often late for work and tired in the morning.
How do you feel when Teresa tells you that she and the children are hurt by your behavior?
I feel guilty. I know I should be spending more time with them.
Good, so part of you recognize that your family still needs more of your time and support.
Yes, but it is hard to stop drinking alone with my friends because what we always do.
It sounds like there is pressure from your social circle, and changing that habit might be difficult for you.
Exactly.
What changes would you like to see happen in your life and your family relationships?
I want my wife to trust me again and I want to be closer to my kids.
Okay, those sounds like important goals to you. So, today we discuss how your Yamkona drinking has affected your marriage, your relationship with your kids, and your work life. We also talk about your feelings of guilt and your desire to rebuild trust with your family.
Yes.
I appreciate your honesty today, Nauru, and recognizing the problem and talking about it is an important first step towards change.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in today and sharing your experience. In future sessions, we can explore practical ways to reduce Yamkona use and strengthen your relationship with your family.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for coming and have a great one.